Hello guys! Gagawa tayo ng recipe from biscuits. For today's video, talagang nainganyo ako sa biscuits na to kung ano ang pwede pang gawin. Nagagawa mo rin siya ng dumplings, but the dumplings you made out of biscuits is like a little bit salty and nalulusaw siya. So ito na nga, yung isang pack na yan ay makakagawa ka ng 8 pieces of mini pizza. Not that mini pizza. So I have here the panara sauce, the mozzarella, and the salami. That's salami. It's your choice. What do you want for toppings? It's your choice. You can just add a cheese. It's your choice. Since my grandson Parker likes like this topping, so that's what I'm going to use for now. So eto na siya. Kailangan mo lang siyang i-flat ng konti para medyo lumapad-lapad ng konti. You can actually make a one whole piece of it, but I choose to do this like this. Like you have to punasan mo siya ng butter, yeah, and then after the butter you can add the panara sauce. Panara sauce is like ready mix already yan. Kasi nagagamit mo rin yan para sa spaghetti. We use that also in spaghetti. Sometimes we just preheat that in the oven and then boil spaghetti and that is ready sauce already. So ayan lang. Ganyan lang karami ang nilalagay mong sauce. Tapos spread out mo lang siya. Pagkatapos mong may spread out, now you can add your mozzarella. Depende sa'yo. You can also make Hawaiian toppings with ham and pineapple. But I don't have that. So, for today's video, ang ilalagay natin ay pepperoni. Actually, it's pepperoni not salami. Naaano ko siya sa pepperoni and salami. So, ayan na nga guys, nilagyan ko na. Napakadali lang niya. Siguro, it takes seconds only to prepare for that. Not even 1 minute like that. Because talagang naka-ready na siya. Tapos, yun lang, ang baking mo ay medyo like 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes like that. Nakikita nyo ang lalaki ng aking salami. Hindi ko na siya pinutol-putol. Nabitin pa ang apo ko niyan sa toppings na yan. Dinagdagan pa niya kasi ang liliit nga ng pizza eh. Kung malalaki sana ang pizza, pwedeng damihan ng pepperoni. So, yan lang guys. Pagkatapos mong i-bake, maaamoy mo talaga. Amoy na amoy mo. At saka, ang sarap ng lasa. Yung dough, ang sarap pala talaga.